Welcome everybody to the SwitchBox channel. Like every time, it's like a party to make a new video because I know there is so many beautiful people like you, and today we're gonna have a real party because this channel needed this thing, because I wanted to make more videos, and for this I need this. So this new MacBook Pro 16-inch. So today we're gonna do another unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox this box. So let's do this. I'm very happy because when I'm gonna do more videos, you can see more unboxings, more reviews, more gameplays, because I will not need to be at home to edit those videos, because I can bring my laptop with me everywhere, so I will edit everywhere. So I took 16-inch MacBook Pro. So let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. So let's do this. Like every time, nice to do that. Okay, this is the moment. This is 16-inch MacBook Pro, silver. So let's open it up and we will see the magic. Ta-da! So, wow. This is my first MacBook Pro. Earlier I had MacBook Air, so I thought this time I will take bigger thing, because MacBook Air was not for me. Okay, so first let's see what we have here. So, alright, this is the MagSafe cable for charging MacBook Pro, and we have MagSafe, and of course silver cable branded for this MacBook. And let's crack it up. Oh, beautiful cable. All right. Okay. Yes. All right. So you see, very good. It's very good to have MagSafe. It's more comfortable and safer to charge MacBooks. Alright, so let's see what here. Like always designed by Apple in California. And what's inside? I know what's inside because I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, and I know that there should be stickers, Apple stickers. Okay, one, and yes, I see, but how to get it? Yes, it's a black stickers. First time I never had black stickers, and this time it's black. Nice. It's good to have for my stickers collection. And okay, let's put this aside and let's see what's next. So, like always, but this time it's a bigger charger brick for this goodie. All right, so let's see. So it's lightning. So here, lightning, and on the next side is MagSafe. Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, this is MacBook Pro. So let's see and hear the sound. Alright, so MacBook Pro with 4 stands, and we have HDMI, USB-C, and of course this one, hole for headphones, and another 2 USB-C and MagSafe charger. Alright, so are you ready? Let's open this. Ta-da! Can you hear it? And let's take this off. Ladies and gentlemen, the new MacBook Pro 16. So it's ready for making more and more videos to you, to all of you. So I want to thank you, each of every one of you, because it's very important when you give me your hand, helping hand, because in the beginning, when I know a lot of people who started new channels, they need helping hands, and you are all helping hands for this channel. And I want to thank you, everyone who push, subscribes, likes and shares to your friends. And this channel is about a lot of things, especially unboxings, gameplays, in the future vlogs, and who knows what else we're gonna do in SwitchBox channel. So thank you everybody one more time, and wishing you all the best, and see you next time. And I'm gonna try the new MacBook Pro. So see you. Bye bye.